Feeding YouTubers. MF version 2. My first video, so I'm gonna do an unboxing. I just got this package in earlier today, but I had to work, so I just got home from work. Well, actually a half hour ago. But I was trying to get everything ready. So let me get started. I'm gonna go with the video game section. So let's get on with it. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, 360. First Call of Duty I ever owned since fucking Part 2. So I'm rusty as hell with it. So yeah, give me a chance of it online. Grand Theft Auto 4, I had to get this game again because my other game, well, scratched up too much and it wouldn't play, so I had to buy another one. Good thing this one was cheap. Yeah. Let's move on. Left 4 Dead 2, had to get this game. Everybody was talking about it, so yeah. Halo 3 ODST, had to get this game. I am a Halo fan after all. Gameplay looked very good, so see what happens. Gears of War 2, had to get it. Haven't played the first one either, so I'll go with it. And speaking of the first one, I get that too. That's it with the video game section. Let me go to my wrestling thing here. Jeff Hardy, My Life, My Rules. Had to get it. I am a Hardy fan, so yeah. It looks to be pretty good. The Survivor Series Anthology, Part 1, the first 5 years. And Part 2, well, actually that was Part 2, this is Part 1. I'm sorry. I did after all get home from work, so yeah. See what happens. Alright, let me go on my horror collector, situation. Halloween 2. Had to get it because I have the first one. Everybody's saying that Halloween 3, if you want to get to collectors of Halloween, we have to get every DVD of it. But I don't consider Halloween 3 to be Halloween because it was retarded. So I skipped that and went on to get Part 4. Part 5. And the Halloween triple pack that has Halloween 6, Halloween H2O, and Resurrection. So that basically completes the Halloween section. Let's see. Go in the kitties section. Oh yeah, Alvin Chipmunks. Can't mess with the monks. And this was a collector's edition. With this, I got the special Beanie Baby. Looks pretty cool. Yeah. And let's see. Anime. Dragon Ball Z Season 9. This completes my Dragon Ball Z saga situation because I got seasons 1 through 8 and I was only missing this one. So I'm very happy with it. Okay. Billy Madison, Happy Gilmore collection. I do like Adam Sandler. He's awesome. Waterboy, awesome. Hot Shots 1 and 2 Collector's Edition. Yeah, Charlie Sheen's pretty cool. I don't have a problem with him. I do ever really want to get his ex-wife. Yeah. Demolition Man. Oh, I've been waiting to get this so long, so long. Yeah, I'm not really Sylvester Stallone, but Wesley Snipes I do like. So yeah. Last and not least, Whose Lines Anyway? Yeah, uncensored. This is volume 2. Volume 1. And the very best of Whose Line. I just love this show. Too bad they couldn't continue on it. Don't know why, but yeah. That's basically all I have for this video. So yeah, I don't know what I want to do with these, but yeah. Maybe I'm gonna start playing the games first. Yeah, as soon as I get myself in order. I'd like to thank people that got me to do this video, because I do watch the unboxed videos on YouTube, so this got me interested. Yeah, so I'm gonna get going now. I hope you liked this video, or at least had the time to watch this video, or if you're bored or whatever. But yeah, I hope you have a good night, and yeah, if you like it, comment, whatever. If you want me to do a review, let me know. Maybe I'll do a review. But any other than that, yeah, have a good night, guys.